Hello and welcome to Swansway Honda Stockport. Today I'm going to be taking you around this Toyota Yaris. This Toyota Yaris is finished in black and is powered by a 1.5 petrol hybrid engine with an automatic transmission. Into the boot and you'll find a rubber mat and plenty of space to provide for your daily needs. Of course, this space can be extended with all the rear seats down. It sits beautifully on 17-inch partially machine finished multi-spoke designed alloy wheels, as well as LED daytime running headlamps that provide great visibility no matter what the weather condition. Into the back and the passengers are provided with half leather seats, headrests, as well as Isofix for convenience. Into the front and the driver's presented with leather wrap multi-function steering wheel, as well as half leather seats for comfort. The multi-function steering wheel provides access to voice command, hands-free, radio control, cruise control, lane assist, as well as speed limiter. The digital part of the instrument display provides access to vital driving data, which can be controlled using the multi-function steering wheel. In the centre, a coloured touchscreen display provides access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Radio, Bluetooth and multimedia is also provided, ensuring you stay connected at all times. A rear camera making parking a breeze in those tight spaces. Just below is the controls to the dual climate control, where the driver and the passenger can adjust the temperature to their liking. Air conditioning is also provided for the hotter months, ensuring you stay at the right temperature. Into the centre console, the gear selector, electronic handbrake, 2 cup holders and a leather armrest is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team.